What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to load HTML code inside Flutter. Okay, so first of all you need to install this package Flutter. You need to install this package Flutter HTML. Okay, this one. Okay, so after you have installed Flutter HTML, so to create the page you first need to import these two packages. Okay, Flutter HTML and Flutter HTML style.dat. Okay, so let me show you this. Let me refresh and show you something again. Don't know why it is taking so long. Okay guys, let's wait while it is refreshing. Okay, so I loaded this HTML page inside my main.dat file. Okay, and as you can see, this is main.dat. Okay, then okay, that's how we load the HTML code inside the Dart or Flutter. Okay, then to remove this yellow stylish and like a border thing, okay, you come into your HTML code here. This is the HTML data I just passed inside this HTML widget, okay, which we just installed Flutter HTML package. Okay, to remove this yellow border, okay, we just give a text decoration property of none. Okay, then we save the file. After we have saved the file, we reload, okay, to get rid of this border. Okay guys, that's what it takes guys to load up HTML code inside your Flutter project. Okay, see you soon.